Hello, Teresa here. I just thought you'd like to see some of the work that the students did at our Christmas craft workshop on Saturday just gone. I'm going to keep the dialogue very, very minimal and just let the pictures speak for themselves. I hope you enjoyed seeing those few pieces of work there. Can I just say that students who showed their work, or if you've seen part of them, they did actually agree to be photographed and filmed. So no breaches of confidentiality there. I'd just like to say though to all of you who have attended our workshops and given us such wonderful feedback, thank you very much. We really do appreciate that, and we look forward to seeing you in the new year and into the year. If you have any ideas, anyone, for workshops that we can run, there were a few mentioned over the past weeks, please let us know. Please email us or pop something under this video and we'll see what we can do. But it's been a pleasure seeing you all, and it might be a bit early, but happy Christmas anyway, and we look forward to seeing you next year. Take care, everyone.